My name is Scott Haskins, and I am the professional mural conservator that was named as the head of the team for the restoration of the mural located on the Prado Dam close to Riverside, California. The instigating artist for the painting of the mural in 1976, and now, 45 years later, its restoration is Ron Kaymeyer. And today, as I was driving past the mural on this beautiful summer day, I called Ron to tell him that I was deeply moved that this message of our nation's celebration of personal freedoms was as inspirational and as badly needed as it ever was. It certainly fulfills its purpose to remind us in a big way. Though the process of organizing and funding this project was slowed down recently, it is enthusiastically supported by the public and surrounding communities. Ron tells me the project is moving forward. We ask you to help the project get going by sending out good vibes. See the description area below this video for more information.